Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G Pure. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now enter Files app, go to Browse, and if your pendrive is not visible right here, search for it in the status bar and now select Open by Files or Files by Google. Select Always and now your pendrive is visible. You can browse every folder your pendrive has. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.